फाटल्या वर्सा एप्रिलान गोंय सरकारान एक सर्क्युलर काडिल्ली. सर्क्युलर कितें आशिल्लें की जितले स्कूल्स आसात, जितले इन्स्टिट्यूशनां आसात, दे वर मेड मॅन्डेटरी टू ओपन अ बँक विथ एक्सीस बँक. सो त्या वेळाचेर आमचे पार्टी वायस प्रेसिडेंट दिलीप प्रभुदेसायान हे लोकां मुखार हाडून उक्ताडार दवरिल्लें की अशें एक सर्क्युलर इंटरनली काडला म्हणून. आनी त्या वेळार सरकारान ते बॅक बर्नराचेर दवरले. आता लोकसभेचे इलेक्शन जाले, तुम्ही पळयला की सरकार मस्तीन सगळी डिसिजनां घेवंक लागले. पयलीं पावर बील वाडयले, टॅरिफ वाडयले पावराचे, त्या नंतर आता एक एक डिसिजनां सरकार घेत आसा. आता लेटस्ट डिसिजन म्हणजे आज 28 तारखेक परतो एक सर्क्युलर काडला की गव्हर्नमेंट मॅन्डेटिंग ऑल द इन्स्टिट्यूशन अँड स्कूल्स टू ओपन देअर अकाउंट्स विथ एक्सीस बँक. So why this Axis Bank? So this clearly indicates that certain officials in the department, certain people in the department have become the agents of the Axis Bank. When government itself is a government institution, accounts should be opened in the nationalized bank which are run by the government. So this clearly indicates that certain people or some connection or some powerful person sitting in a regional office or a head office of Axis Bank is putting pressure on Goa government to get these things done. This is ridiculous and we demand, आम्ही डिमांड करतात की हे जे सर्क्युलर काढला हे रिटर्न ताबडतोब एज्युकेशन डिपार्टमेंटात फाटी घेवचे. Our party will also write to the education department on this. The government cannot dictate to institution that which bank they should open an account. This clearly indicates, as we said, that government of Goa, BJP government has become the agents of Axis Bank. And why? So we'll have to go deep into this. Whose connection is it with Axis Bank? Who are giving orders, either sitting in Bombay or Delhi, that account should be opened in Axis Bank? These are serious indications and serious problems concerning Goa. Karan as dictates of, we have seen what has happened in Asagaon. We are seeing what is happening in other parts of Goa. Terms have been dictated to the state, and we are going day by day. We are going towards, sliding towards downwards in the growth of the state. म्हणून आम्ही मागतात की फाटी घेवचे. Government cannot dictate to colleges and institutions. Earlier, government tried to get in midday meal scheme by removing the self-help groups and giving it to a Bangalore-based company. Now they want accounts to be given to a private player. So हातून एक clear कळटा की this government is not for Aam Aadmi, this government is for Khas Aadmi, and we will oppose it and we will write to the education department.